Hello students, this is your science teacher, Teacher D. In this video, our topic is all about water cycle. Again, let's read. Water cycle. Water cycle. Vocabulary words, please repeat after me. Transpiration. 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 Evaporation. Evaporation. Condensation. Condensation. Precipitation. Precipitation. The first process in the water cycle is called transpiration. Transpiration. This happens when water is released from the plants to the atmosphere. So as you can see, this happens among the plants, wherein plants will release the water from the plants, through the atmosphere, and this is called transpiration. So this is a tree, and this one here is called transpiration. This is number one, or the first process in the water cycle. Another process which occurs in the ocean here is called evaporation. Everybody read. Evaporation. Evaporation. This happens when water changes from liquid to a gas or vapor. This happens in the ocean. See? The water changes from liquid to a gas or vapor. This is also the first process in the water cycle. So there are two processes involved in the first process in the water cycle: transpiration and also the water evaporation process. Okay, next we have number 2, condensation. Condensation. This happens when water vapor in the air is changed into liquid water. So from here, from the vapor or gas, a cloud will be formed, and in the cloud it will change from water vapor to a liquid water. So a cloud is basically a liquid water, and this is number 2, or the second process in the water cycle. Everybody say condensation. Condensation. The third process in the water cycle is the precipitation. Precipitation. Water is released from clouds in the form of rain. Freezing rain sleet, snow, or hail. As you can see here, a cloud is in a liquid water and water is released from the cloud. This is called precipitation. This is precipitation. This is in the form of rain, freezing rain, sleet, snow, or hail. So precipitation is the third process, or the third process in the water cycle. This is number 3. Let's try to answer your worksheet. What are the first process in the water cycle? It's transpiration and evaporation. This happens in both areas, such as ocean and plants. In the plant, there is transpiration. This is number 1. And also in the ocean, we also have evaporation. This is the first process in the water cycle. The next is, what is the process where water is released from the plants to the atmosphere? The process is called transpiration. From this plant here, water is released to the atmosphere, and that is called transpiration. Okay, next. What is the process where water changes from liquid to a gas or vapor? The answer, the process is called evaporation. As you can see, it happens in the ocean. This is evaporation. Ocean is in water or liquid form, and it will turn into gas or vapor. That is also the first process in the water cycle. It's evaporation. What is the second process in the water cycle? The second process is called condensation. Condensation. This is where water vapor or vapor gas will turn into liquid water. And this is where cloud is formed. This is called condensation. What is the process wherein water vapor in the air changes to liquid? This is also called condensation. From water vapor, this is the water vapor here, and it will change into liquid. This is condensation. What is the process wherein there is cloud formation? Like I said a while ago, the process is called condensation. Water vapor in the air will form a cloud. What is the third process wherein the water is released from the clouds in the form of rain? The process is called precipitation. So, the water in the clouds is released. So it will come down again to the ground in the form of rain. So this is the third process in the water cycle. It is in the form of rain, freezing rain, snow, sleet, or a hailstone. That's the end of our video. I hope you learned something new. See you in the next video. Bye bye.